Hello and welcome. We are in the middle of berry season. So in this episode it's time for a real classic, a Scandinavian blueberry crumble pie, in Swedish called smulpaj. But first we needed to get out into the forest and forage the berries. This is one of my favorite activities during autumn. Recently I learned that what we in Sweden call blåbär, directly translated to blueberries, is not what blueberries mean in English, and that our blueberries is called bilberries in English. But according to the trusted source that is Wikipedia, you can also say Scandinavian blueberries. This made me so confused, and I see myself as someone who is pretty fluent in English. Obviously not accent-wise that you can hear, but in general. What do you guys call these berries? We save these 500 milliliters ice cream containers to use for freezing in berries for us to enjoy throughout the year. They are the perfect size for one pie, and pie is what we're making today. An easy crumble pie, one of those recipes that are among the first you learn as a child. Take a pie form and add in your berries. Add 3 teaspoons of potato flour or cornstarch and mix it. Sprinkle 1 deciliter or 100 milliliters of sugar on top and put it to the side. In a mixing bowl, add 3 deciliters or 300 milliliters of oats, 1.5 deciliters or 150 milliliters wheat flour, and 2 deciliters or 200 milliliters of sugar. Either regular sugar, or I like to use brown sugar for more of a toffee flavor that goes really nicely with bilberries. Add in a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Lastly, add 150 grams of melted butter. Mix everything and spread it out on top of the berries. And put it into the oven on 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Serve it warm with custard or ice cream. Is it the prettiest dessert? No, it is not, but it is so tasty and can never go wrong.